Ukraine boasts amazingly rich natural resources. The RODOS Woodworking complex is located in the Polisia woodlands, one of the most picturesque corners of Ukraine and perhaps the whole world. It is a land of vast forests that are famous for valuable wood species. This area is very favorable for the development of the woodworking industry. The idea of using natural materials in dwelling interiors inspired us to create a modern woodworking facility. RODOS is a highly efficient, environmentally friendly and non-waste woodworking complex. It produces high-quality built-in beams, furniture boards and other items. The prices are quite acceptable thanks to the favorable location in terms of logistics, application of high technologies and successful management. Our factory, based in the town of Slavuta, Khmelnytsky region, is located near 3 large forestry enterprises. So we are able to store up and process large amounts of lumber. Raw materials are supplied under contracts concluded through tenders, which are held within the frameworks of government procurement programs. RODOS operates equipment from the best European manufacturers, which allows for optimal use of lumber and maximum output of competitive produce. The raw material undergoes 6 treatment stages: saw cutting, drying, primary treatment, cutting into sheets, optimization, jointing and gluing of plain stock into pre-shaped furniture boards, and final calibration. Each piece of lumber arriving at the storage yard undergoes entry material inspection. At the first stage, logs are band-sawed at the US-Polish automatic line Wood Miser. The line equipment, using the laser beam positioning method, finds precisely how to best cut rough logs to ensure maximum quality of boards with minimum waste. For the best use of lumber, moisture content is reduced to 8 to 12%, from the initial 40 to 60%. Saw-cut boards are pelletized and loaded into the 4-chamber drying complex produced by the Polish company Lee-Co. The aggregate capacity of the chambers allows for drying up to 250 cubic meters of lumber at a time. Special software sets the required parameters for the convection drying process. Once the type of material is entered, the software creates the necessary conditions and sets the timer exactly for as many hours as needed for drying. The dried boards then go to the primary treatment shop, where they are saw-cut into sheets with preset parameters. Bark and slabs are separated as well. The saw cutting is done by the multiple saw produced by the German company Weinesch. The machine calculates the optimal board cutting width, and the laser beam ruler shows the operator the precise sizes for minimum waste. The next stage is optimization, during which defects are removed from the material. The Weinesch optimizing machine, equipped with a photocell, finds problem spots marked by operators and cuts them out. Then billets are sorted by size. Waste is recycled. Quality materials are delivered to the jointing line. After calibration, trimmed boards get to the Weinesch microwave gluing press. This high-tech equipment ensures gluing within 90 to 120 seconds. jointing can be both horizontal and vertical, with male or female pins. Thus, we get high-quality square beams and furniture boards. The boards are up to 2.5 meters long and 1.3 meters wide, and from 18 to 60 millimeters thick. Final calibration is done by the machine produced by the Italian company Viet. RODOS operates on a non-waste basis. It uses the most up-to-date aspiration system from the Italian company Baruca and solid waste-fired heating plants. The ready products are kept at the company's own storage facility. We maintain the stably sufficient amount of stock, so our customers can always count on swift shipment of beams or furniture boards. RODOS is a unique environmentally friendly industrial complex that can fully meet domestic demand for this type of lumber produce. It also has a considerable export potential, and we are ready to increase it. Our customers are EU companies that value high-quality materials used for making furniture, as well as window aprons and casings, skirting boards, spacer planks, and other linear articles. The things made from our materials make thousands of homes genuine and durable. They help people keep healthy and look into the future with confidence.